Hello, this is Matt Shockley again, proud principal at Avon High School, to give you an update on making room for more, the building project at Avon High School. Behind me, you can see the west side of the high school, and there's been quite a bit of work done since I spoke to you about 2 or 3 months ago. 2 or 3 months ago, there was a parking lot, still cars being parked there and still being utilized, but since spring break, there has been major changes, and they've made quick work on the west side of the building. As you can see, no parking lot is left. We haven't had staff parking in this area since spring break, and really a lot of ground and excavation work to really start the pad for the construction on this side of the building. This area is going to be for, on the first floor, our new main entrance, and all of the guidance, social work, and administrative offices will be located on the first floor on this side of the building, as well as all of our student services. And then on the second floor of this addition on the west side, we'll have some science classrooms as other just regular classrooms. And again, this part of the building is scheduled to be completed a little over a year from now. In July 2024, we should be moved into this space at the beginning of the 24-25 school year. Well, now I am on the south side of the building near our present tennis courts and the ALC entrance. And you can hear some noise in the background because there is a lot of work going on this end of the building. Behind me is going to be our new weight room and fitness facility, as well as 4 classrooms that will be to my left. So 4 classrooms and a new weight room and fitness facility that we're extremely excited about. We've been working closely with our new speed and strength coaches about what that equipment needs are within that facility to make sure that we are providing programming to best meet the needs of our student athletes in all of our athletic programs. Above me will actually be our wrestling room. We have a new wrestling room that's being constructed that's larger than our current one, and our current wrestling room will actually be converted into a dance studio that will be moved from our present location near the band room to the location where our wrestling room is at right now. Again, our 4 new classrooms, our new weight room facility, as well as our wrestling room is all slated to be completed in early January of 2024. So very excited about this coming together. Right now I am on the second floor of the Oasis addition. I am currently in an art classroom. This is going to be a ceramics classroom with kilns. Very excited about the growth of our ceramics program and providing some new facilities for them. We also have a sculpture room. That is a new class that we offered just a few years ago, and that can also be used for general art classroom space, but one specifically for sculpture, so we're very excited about that. We also have 2 science classrooms that are going to be located up here, lab space for biology and possibly chemistry needs. So again, very excited about these new additions, and these will be ready by next school year. So in July of 23, just a couple months away, these classrooms will be ready for teacher and student use. I am now on the first floor of the Oasis addition. And again, the Oasis is the Oriole alternative setting in school for about 15 to 20 of our special education students that need highly specialized programming to meet their learning and behavioral needs. And again, that's serving kids in grades K through 12. I am standing in the entrance to the Oasis program. To my right is some of the offices as people would enter, and you're going to see some other footage of just classroom space. Everything that they need will be handled right here in this new addition, and I know we're very excited about the opportunities with this program for the 15 to 20 K through 12 students to get really the support that they need in the Avon community. So to my left, outside these doors, will be access to kind of a small playground and activity, kind of leisure activity area for students to be at and enjoy throughout the day at the appropriate times. Well, that kind of wraps up our latest edition of Making Room for More here at Avon High School. As you can see, it is really neat to see several months ago when we came and I started these video updates with you where it was just dirt. And a lot of demolition going on. And to see the progress that has been made over the last several months has been incredible, and it's nice to be able to see classrooms, some paint going up. It's just great to see this progress, and it just builds excitement for me as we begin next school year with some of these new areas being completed. I want to remind everyone that's watching of two things. First is that this construction project at the high school has no impact on your tax burden. And secondly is that no referendum dollars are being used to support this project. So we like to remind our community of that we have been good stewards of our money, and we are using that well to really make room for more and also enhance our programming and offerings here at Avon High School. So I will be back in a couple months, probably at the beginning of the school year, to let you see what further progress has been done with our Making Room for More at Avon High School project.